Studypool is an online platform that connects students with tutors for academic help. Students can post questions or problems they need assist with tutors be to provide solution. It covers a wide range of subject and academic levels, allowing students to find help with specific assignments or concepts. It's a convenient way for students to get personalized assistance and for tutor to offer their expertise on various topics. On Studypool, students can ask questions related to subjects such as math, science, business, history, and more. They can also seek help with writing assignment, essay, and research papers. The platform allows for collaborative learning experience as students can interact with tutors to better understand the solution provided. Tutors on Studypool come from diverse educational backgrounds and have expertise in different subjects. They bid on student question and student can choose tutor based on their profile, review and propose solution. The platform aims to make learning and more accessible by providing a space where students can receive one-on-one help tailored to their specific need. it worth nothing that while Studypool can be a valuable resource for academic purpose, users should always ensure that they adhere to their educational institutions' policies regarding the external assistance and plagiarism. How to earn money by studypool.com. If you are interested in earning money on Studypool, you can do some by becoming a tutor on the platform. Here is the general guide for the how to get started. First, you sign up, then create a profile, and next verify your credentials. Then you can upload PDF. Then you can provide quality solution, build a reputation, and stay active. Set competitive prices, follow Studypool policies. Then you can earn money from Studypool. Good luck.